Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to understand that money is an intermediate good which is acceptable to both parties in any transaction. Understand that one has to consider the trade-off between the advantage of liquidity and the disadvantage of the foregone interest in order to decide how much money to hold at a certain point of time. Understand that the transaction demand for money of the economy is nothing but a fraction of the total volume of transactions in the economy over the unit period of time. Learn that the number of times a unit of money changes hands during the unit period is called the velocity of circulation of money. Understand why the interest rate is usually thought of as an opportunity cost or the value of holding money balance. Learn that the reserve deposit ratio or RDR is the proportion of all the total deposits commercial banks keep as reserves. Learn that the credit worthiness of a person is judged by her current assets or the collateral, which is a security pledged for the repayment of a loan she can offer. Learn that the money multiplier is the ratio of the stock of money to the stock of high-powered money in an economy. Learn that the system of guarantee assures all individual account holders that their banks will be able to pay their money back in case of a crisis by the help of central bank. Understand that the RBI purchases or sells government securities to the general public in a bid to increase or decrease the stock of high-powered money in the economy. Learn that an increase in the stock of high-powered money is equal to the total liability of RBI. Learn how RBI undertakes an open market sale of government securities of an amount as equal to the amount of foreign exchange inflow in the economy in order to keep the stock of high-powered money and total money supply unchanged.